Şehit Türkmen Tekin Kız Anadolu İmam Hatip High School Science and Social Science Project School. Our school will take 30 female students to the English preparatory class in the 2021-2022 academic year. These students will receive English education from Turkish and foreign teachers who speak English. At the same time, students who choose our school with a percentage between 1 and 6% in the high school entrance exam are provided with a scholarship of 200 Turkish lira every month. Within the scope of English education in a foreign language, magazine, debate, panel, in addition to this, students who prefer our school will receive English education with 4 basic English skills of reading, writing, speaking, and listening.
In the preparatory class or student argument language training for 6 hours on weekend and 20 hours on weekdays, or students in 9, 10 grades have the opportunity to improve their English education practice by taking weekend course with foreign instructors.
Students who wish to participate in language trainings and trips abroad during the summer period. At the same time, participate in language camps will be provided in the country and abroad. With the support of expert academic staff, they have the opportunity to settle in the faculties of their choice in the field of science and social science they will choose in the 11th grade.